Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook session expired issue. So if you are facing this issue, I will show you how you can fix this. For this, first of all, what you have to do is you just have to tap and hold on this Facebook icon and tap on this app info. It will take you here. Now you just have to tap on this storage and you can see this option clear data. Just tap on it and now tap on this clear all data and click on this OK. After this, just go back and tap on this app permissions and you just have to make sure that the all permissions are allowed. So just allow all the permissions like this. So just make sure all the permissions are allowed. After this, go back, open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and search for Facebook. And you just have to make sure that there isn't any update. If there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. And after that, your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.